Abdulrasheed Bawa, the former chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), says Nigeria lost $450 million to subsidy fraud under the Petroleum Support Fund (PSF) scheme between 2006 and 2012. In his new book, The Shadow of Loot and Losses: Uncovering Nigeria's Petroleum Subsidy Fraud, Bawa documents the massive fraud that marred the scheme. Bawa served as the chairman of the Anti-Graft Agency from February 2021 to June 2023. He was a key investigator on the EFCC special team that probed the subsidy fraud. In the book, the former EFCC boss said some of the indicted oil marketers were prosecuted and jailed, while 80% of the stolen funds were recovered. He added that Nigeria has spent over 16.5 trillion naira in petrol subsidies since the return of democracy in 1999. This fraud involved 59 out of 141 companies that participated in the PSF scheme from 2006 to 2011. We also uncovered fraudulent claims amounting 19.6 billion naira on issues related to traders, sellers, of which the oil marketers' companies denied knowing anything about it. Bawa wrote. Bawa added that a substantial portion of the expenditure was linked to false claims and theft from the National Treasury. The former EFCC chairman said the accumulation of debts to finance subsidy payments and other expenditures created an unsustainable fiscal situation. He said the fraudulent diversion of subsidized petroleum products to black marketers and export channels resulted in the significant fuel shortages, thereby contributing to inflationary pressures in the economy. He added that corruption and fraud within the petroleum subsidy system also deterred foreign investment, particularly in the downstream sector of the economy. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below and keep watching Naija News TV.